Average revenue per user is a metric that helps you measure the amount of monthly income you can generate per average customer. What makes this metric so important? ARPU provides you with a great snapshot of your company's financial position and is a key factor in planning your long and short-term goals. When running a subscription business, it's extremely vital to monitor if your company is moving in the right direction. Thanks to the ARPU report for WHMCS provided by MetricsCube, you can assess the impact of your new strategy, as well as evaluate the efficiency of acquisition channels with just a few clicks. How is average revenue per user calculated? The ARPU formula is pretty easy, as it comes from dividing monthly recurring revenue by the total number of active customers. The higher the MRR generated for a lower number of users, the higher the ARPU. For instance, if you have just 100 clients, but your MRR amounts to $10,000, you have ARPU at the level of $100. On the other hand, you may attain the MRR of $1 million, but with the base of 100,000 customers, your ARPU is $10 only. Just to recap, ARPU will help you identify which of your products are high or low revenue generators. You need to monitor your ARPU to find out if you're going to hit your revenue goals. If you wish to discover more on how to benefit from MetricsCube reports, feel invited to check out our previous videos. In order to access the ARPU report in MetricsCube once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports tab from the main menu. Then click on the Billing category. Now choose the ARPU report to be redirected to its more detailed section. You're on the ARPU report page. Thanks to an intuitive and extensive toolkit, the data you're looking for can be displayed in two forms: a visual graph and a summary table. You can also set a few filters at once, just to get a quick overview of average revenue per user based on selected client groups and countries. Moreover, average revenue per user can be analyzed over various time periods. If you wish to drill down into some specific data, you can add up to 5 different comparison periods. If using dates doesn't seem accurate enough, you can draw a closer comparison by client groups or countries. There is no need to convince anyone how important it is to know a company's financial situation. Our innovative solution gives you the best tools for supervising key metrics, such as average revenue per user. In addition to what we have already learned, here are a few less-known facts about the ARPU report you should be familiar with as well. A decrease of ARPU might mean that your most paying users are leaving your business. Part of your customer base is switching to cheaper plans. Some of your clients are shutting down certain services. There's a big increase in the number of new customers ordering the cheapest packages. How to increase ARPU then? Offer a product that scales up. You have to give your clients a reason to upgrade their plans. Ensure reasonable pricing. It's a horribly common mistake to deliver aggressive pricing, assuming that big companies have lots of money, so they'll pay anyway. Implement upselling and cross-selling. There's no easier way for a web hosting provider to increase revenue than offering attractive bundles of products and services. Offer value-added products. Nowadays, it's a conventional standard to earn an extra profit from additional services that compose well with a hosting plan. Add premium level service. Perhaps there are some supplemental features that you can offer extra to the most demanding clients. Average revenue per user stands for one of the most essential metrics that your company cannot afford to ignore. Are you ready to put your customers' spending under a microscope? Give it a try with a free 14-day trial at MetricsCube.io.